Very colorful. Hello, what's up mga karoro? So dahil malapit na ang Chinese New Year, so ito, see, so many decorations for the Chinese. Where's me? I'm looking for you. You ready, bye? Nothing? Yeah, you see? Okay. Let's take a picture. These are the sale here in, because the Chinese New Year is very new. So these are all buy one free. So many they are selling here because of the Chinese New Year. Okay. Now I will buy more here. Mukhang gagala na naman tayo mga karoro. Sabi ka, samahan niyo akong kumana. Let's go! First time I'm here in Paradigm Mall. So many clothes. Masyadong maaga tayo. Too early to come here. Okay, so I think I see it all. Baba na tayo and then we go back to where we belong because the experience not so good here in this mall. Okay, so I think I will go back to where I go. Much better. Much better. Okay, bye-bye. Good morning. Chinese New Year is coming. So, yeah. Morning everyone.